Why do twin flames have to face such difficult scenarios, such situations, such problems? So difficult, so humongous. If a normal person is given these scenarios, they may not be able to handle it. But then why twin flames have to go through it? This is a common question. That's because they have to ascend a lot higher. I mean, relationships are any which way challenging, and then you get such difficult combinations. If one twin is younger, the other is elder, or if one is from a different caste, other is from another caste, one has a social status, the other doesn't have it. Like, there are so many of these permutations and combinations globally. I'm not just talking about East, it's about West also, the same things are happening. And then there are these false twin and twin flame scenarios also, because twin flames cannot attract a genuine connection, a marriage, or a proper commitment till they go through a false twin flame connection. And false twin flame connection will put them in waiting energies for a long time. And this is the sort of waiting which also teaches you surrender, because sometimes you're waiting for the wrong person, and then one fine day you wake up and realize that you waited for a wrong person for 5 years or 4 years, or you have to heal from the trauma that someone gave to you for 4 years or 5 years or 3 years or whatever it is, because that's not easy, by the way, because I see a lot of people who are on this journey and they're watching channelings and they're watching videos and they're, watching readings, but they're watching it for the wrong person and they realize it much later. This was there. Along with this, once you track the genuine twin flame connection, they never have it easy, and the inner work keeps continuing. Inner work has to continue, because for all of us people who are in this journey, ascension is the lifestyle. This is a statement you've heard from me. It's an original statement, by the way. You've heard from me many times. Now, those previous challenges, which were also very difficult to deal with at one point in time, all the challenges that you faced and you succeeded, they are given to you for a reason. And it is a reason to reminisce, to help you reminisce. You can look at your own growth and progress, and you can see that, okay, there was a time when I went through this was very difficult, and I overcame it. This is going to happen in finance, money. This is going to happen in relationship problems, solving those problems. This is going to happen in terms of miracles as well. Give us a lot of energy and hope.